This is my 100th video and we are celebrating 10,000 subscribers, so I wanted to go big. I'm going to cook Argentinian style over a live fire. We're going to have some incredible cuts of meat that I got from my buddy Herman at meatandbone.com, so please go and check him out.
Before I get into the details how to make this amazing Argentinian parrillada, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you. Recently we hit 10,000 subscribers and we're beyond grateful and thankful. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. And because of that, I want to raffle, I want to give away 5 packs of FOGO charcoal with fire starters, hats, shirts, all the swags and goodies to you guys. If you want to win that, please leave a comment under this video. And in the next week, we're going to announce 5 winners that we're going to draw from you guys. If you want to win some FOGO charcoal and some swag, please leave a comment and you can be a lucky winner.
Another friend of mine, Travis at M Grills in Mesquite, Texas, make these incredible live fire tables. It allows you to cook with charcoal and wood and move the things around as you see fit. I'm going to use some attachments for hanging things today, as well as the grill grates. To start the fire, I'm using the FOGO Premium Charcoal Black Bag and then add some oak logs on top of it that will burn down into embers. Today we have skirt steak. That's one of my absolute favorites. Super marbled, tons of intramuscular fat for a lot of flavor. This is Vacio, also known as flank or bavette steak. Just like the skirt steak, this is well marbled and super flavorful. Next up, Argentinian Chorizos and Morcilla, which is a blood sausage. It sounds weird, but you gotta try it. It's amazing. And of course, picanha. I'm going to make the picanha the star of the show that she deserves to be and hang her to slowly cook over the fire while cooking the rest of the meats. We're basically reverse searing, cooking until we hit an internal temperature of 125 degrees and then searing the outside of the picanha. One of the top videos since we launched this channel has been our grilled pineapple. So of course we had to have it in this video. First cut off the skin and then season it generously with a 50-50 mix of cinnamon and brown sugar, and then hang the pineapple right next to the picanha. Now that we have the picanha and the pineapple hanging, we come to the best part, playing with fire. This is a live fire table, so I am in full control. I can move the embers wherever I want to manage the fire. If I want more heat, I move some coals. If I want less heat, I remove some of the coals. Let's prep the rest of the stuff. Full ingredients and directions are as always in the description. I'm going to cut the second pineapple into individual pieces and then skewer them up and sprinkle with our cinnamon and sugar mix. We will grill these later and let the sugars caramelize. It makes the most amazing dessert. No parrillada would be complete without a killer chimichurri. Chimichurri is an Argentinian sauce that is made with parsley, olive oil, garlic, vinegar, and peppers. And another one of my favorites, red peppers stuffed with provolone cheese. Core the peppers, cut them into little boats, and then stuff them generously with the provolone. Let's cook all the items that need low to medium heat first, like the sausages and the peppers. I don't want to burn them or char them too much. I just want to draw that natural sweetness out of the peppers and melt the cheese and cook the sausages until they're done. I am in full control of the fire. I'm moving the embers to get more heat and speed up the cook, or move the food closer to the fire if I want more char. As I push more embers under the grate to finish the sausage with a nice char, it's time to remove the peppers and put on the meat. This cooks fast, about a minute a side, and 4 flips later, the skirt steak and the flank steak are done. The same with the picanha, a quick bath in the flames, just for a minute or so to get a bit of crunch and char on the outside, and our feast is ready.
Alright guys, our Gran Parrillada, the big Argentinian feast is done and it looks incredible. I wanted to take the opportunity to get Juan over here. Juan, my camera guy, come over here, man. Like, let me introduce you.
What's up, bro?
100 videos.
100 videos,
You did it, bro. Congratulations. Amazing. I mean, grab some food.
Yeah, that's a lot of food.
Let's
bro.
eat. Yeah. It's
I'm
a
dying
feast.
to eat it. I'm dying.
Just go for it, you know. Let's try something. This is one of my favorites. We did a video on this, I don't know, like 2 years ago.
Yeah, one of the first
Peppers
videos. Yeah.
with cheese. Amazing. So easy to make.
One. Yeah,
Man,
really good.
can't fail. And I mean, we have so much stuff here. Chorizos, sausages. One of my favorites actually, and a lot of you might not know about this. This is blood sausage, Morcilla, like an Argentinian blood sausage. It's kind of weird,
Yeah,
but the taste is great. And then, you know, with Argentinian barbecue, you just go for it, right? It's a big plate, everybody shares, you cut it, you have entraña, skirt steak. We've done a video, I think that's probably our first video ever, right? Skirt steak.
No.
You can do skirt steak, you know, you can eat it in a sandwich and slice it like an Argentinian steakhouse. Always comes out amazing. A little bit of chimichurri.
No, chimichurri is fire.
Yeah, and there you go.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah, what do you think we have in store for the next 100 videos?
I don't know, let's go crazy. Let's go shoot a video on the Himalaya, whatever. However you feel like it, bro.
Well, you know, I know for sure I want to keep growing this channel, you know. I'm really happy that you guys have stuck with us. Thank you so much for pushing us to 10,000 subscribers. You know, I'm hoping we can grow this to what, like 100,000 to a million subscribers, right?
I want to get to 10 million.
Yeah, let's keep hustling, let's keep working. And you guys let us know. You guys let us know what you want to watch. You know, we work for you guys. You know, every week we break our head. What do people want to see? How can we take it to the next level?
It's nice when you guys like comment on the video, because like we push so much effort on making the videos, on like every single details.
Yeah.
So it's nice to feel the
To get that feedback, that love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels good. Like I
Yeah.
want to make more videos. Want to see
Yeah.
those comments. You know.
All right, guys. I hope you liked this today. It was a bit of a feast, a party, a fiesta. And I hope to see you guys again next week. It's going to be an amazing video. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.